Ooh, child. Security. Well, hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl RaShon. So today's video is brought to you by NadulaHair. They were kind enough to send me another unit to review for you guys. Now, before we get into this 100% glueless install, the specs and what I think about the unit straight out the pack, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go.
You so extra, but I know I'm the same. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama. Cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my, all good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that wave, tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night. Now all of my calls go to voicemail. I block you so I don't raise hell. Should've talked through it in detail. Our separate ways ain't gon' end well, no. But when we get back, it's like, oh my, all bad all day, but the night I get that good till we act right. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that wave, tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead. We could go all night.
I've been calm, cool, collected, but you pushing on my nerves, and I'm knowing your intention, I'm under pressure. Okay, I'm admitting that a couple things I said got acidic in the tone, in the presence I get careless. Long as you know I come with imperfections. When you look at me, you see the soul through my flesh, you something special. Know you looking bomb, the way you dress it, gone flex it, hold it still and let my mind digest. You got the leverage, you got the upper handle on the situation. You worthy of a million more of the storms that we weathered. We fight retreating different, but you trying to kill the cycle. When nobody's stressing that body like me, I know the way you like it. I treat you like a queen, run the castle, you a treasure. Feel like you setting fire to my desire for the pleasure. You a gem, got me blim, let's make amends. Know you can, I'm out here
trying to control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we can share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could go all night. We could go all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night.
Rapunzel, Rapunzel, let down your hair, okay? So, like I said, this unit comes to us from NadulaHair. This is their 5x5 lace closure unit. All the specs of my unit are right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. I'm gonna tell you right now, I got the inches, okay? I got the inches on inches on inches. This unit comes with a 5x5 HD lace closure, 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the back, and the adjustable straps. I am wearing this unit completely glueless. That means no glue, no got to be freeze spray. I barely put any gel on this unit to get my little swoop-de-doops like this, okay? This unit is securely on my dome thanks to the straps in the back, as well as my wig grip that I got on my head right now. Y'all, when I say security, like I said, I got the inches today, okay? 30 inches to be exact. Listen, I'm pretty sure this is the longest wig I ever had on my channel, and they came through for your girl. I was really worried the density for this unit would not match the inches, but y'all, they match, okay? This hair is thick, okay? I am here for the density of this wig. It looks it looks so good, y'all. And y'all know I normally don't favor a bust down middle part like my girl Shannon say, but this joint on my head, ooh, child. The inches need to be seen, okay? They need to be seen. They look good, okay? They look good. Now the hair does not tangle, but I did get some shedding with it. Nothing crazy though. Y'all saw that I did go in and pull some of the hair out here in the front just to make the hairline how I wanted it. I also did some little baby hair situation because I didn't want the hairline to be, I didn't want it to look so perfect, especially with these inches. Sometimes a more wispy hairline makes a middle part unit look a lot better. So that's what I was going for. I didn't want definite baby hairs around my hairline or swoopy doops around my hairline. I wanted to give a very wispy natural look. So that's why I used my gel around my hairline, and then I tied her down to let her dry, and then at the end you saw me brush that out. And in order for those hairs to stay in place, I had to mold them. So you can either use mousse or you can use gel. I didn't have any type of mousse that I could use on that, and I wasn't going to use my curl mousse and waste that joint, so I used my gel and it worked out perfectly. I did open up my part just a little bit to kind of give it more of a natural look, and outside of that, that's all I did to, you know, make the unit my own. I did one pass on the hair with my flat iron, and that was it. Like, y'all, this is simple, okay? Beginner friendly, 100% glueless install. Right here. What we talking? We talking glueless? Let me put my glasses on so I can make sure I get this right. You don't gotta worry about the sides, okay? Because it's a 5x5 closure. It stops on the temples, okay? You don't gotta worry about that. What I say? I said glueless, didn't I? Look at that. Boop. Look at that. Do y'all see that? Look. Golly. 30 inches is long, okay? So you may get some flyaways up around your neck and your lip gloss. Listen, Cindy Lou, right here, right here. Get back, get back, get back. Okay, here we go. Look at this. And there's still no gaps up in here. That's when you know the density is right. You're not getting no gappage when you pull the hair apart. I like that. I like that a lot. If you want more layers in your unit, get to slicing and dicing. Okay, cut it, cut it. I could give myself some long layers with this joint. Like, let me not cut it just yet. Cause y'all know I get scissor happy real quick. So at 5'6", this unit comes down way past my chest. Okay, it's down to the hip region. Okay, down to the hips. We coming with the bundles and the inches. Okay, and Essence Fest is coming up. Listen. This joint right here may make an appearance. You hear me? Okay, it's time to give Daddy Papa a rest. Okay, he for the cold months. Okay, no more talking. No more talking, cause we outside. We are outside. Sneaky link. I'm just playing, kidding. I'm just playing. But that is all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to NadulaHair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, the specs, and my coupon code down below, so if you guys want to check this unit out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.